everybody, it's Judy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be putting together two of these shelves. There's only one there because it was hella heavy. I struggled to get that up against the wall. The other one's down there. Just having that one there will suffice. But I've got two of those. I'm going to put those shelves together, put them up against this wall here, and then style it with some plants. So basically, it's just going to be putting together my new plant shelf, styling it with plants, and sharing the process with you guys. I'm really super excited about this because when I first bought this house and saw this wall, I was like, that would make a beautiful plant wall. And I've been in this house for almost 2 years now and my vision is finally coming true. So I'm gonna leave a photo here of what these shelves are supposed to look like. They are decent sized shelves which I got off Catch of the Day. If you guys enjoy styling videos, plant care videos, then I would encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. I upload videos once a week and I just want to thank all of you who have watched my videos so far and who have subscribed. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. So thanks guys. I'm gonna get started building these shelves. Okay, so this is my progress so far. I've got the frame together. The level of difficulty putting this together isn't the easiest thing I've ever done, but it's again not the hardest thing. It's not hard. It just takes a little bit of time to tighten the bolts and all that. So I'm going to check on my dinner because I've got that cooking off in the oven, and then I shall finish off the shelf. I'll just quickly show you my dinner while I'm at it. So this isn't exactly it. I'm just roasting off some beef bones to make a beef stock broth, and I've got some aromatics toasted off in the wok there, and I'm actually going to make my first attempt at making some of the authentic Vietnamese pho. So if that looks like it needs a little bit longer, then I'm gonna put the stock on to boil. Oh, I almost dropped that. Oh my goodness.
Moving feels too good for that. So good. Feeling of love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
Alright, so it took me a while, but I've got one shelf done. Now I've got to do the other one. Actually didn't end up needing that drill. It was all the Allen key type bolts. I can't wait to style these. It's gonna be so much fun.
Getting lost with you.
Okay, so both shelves are done. It's now time to style them with some plants. And I'm gonna be grabbing plants from just around the house and putting them all together on the shelves. So we all know what this means, right? I get to buy more plants. All this new space means I need more plants, right? Let's just say that it does, okay? I'm so excited. All right, let's do it. Also, update on my dinner. It's smelling amazing. If only you could smell through the camera. Smells so aromatic. So what's gonna happen with this is I'm going to strain all the bones out and just have the broth, and then I'm gonna put some rice noodles in it, and that's dinner. Okay, so this is what I've ended up with. This took me a hot minute, and I don't really think this is exactly how it's gonna stay, but I'm losing light and the sun's going down and it's getting too dark, but pretty happy with how it looks. I'm going to take an overview of it and show you guys what I came up with, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I don't think this is exactly how a lot of the plants are going to stay. I'll probably still keep moving things around depending on their needs, because the window is right here. I'll just keep moving things around, seeing if they're happy in that spot or not. Also keeping in mind that when you clump a lot of plants together, they are happier when they're closer together, but also keeping in mind that if one of them gets pests like spider mites, then that can spread very, very quickly through your plants. So just keep that in mind. If you're someone who has a lot of time to keep a really close eye on your plants, then this kind of grouping, like close together, should be okay. And if you're a regular on top of your pest prevention on your plants, close grouping should be okay. But just keep in mind that, yeah, if you group plants really super close together and the leaves are touching, if pests do occur, it will spread throughout your plant. So just weigh it up, pros and cons, with your time and management and time that you have to devote to your plant care. So yeah, just a little bit of a tip there to give you a little bit of value and information with this video and not just something to watch. So yeah, that's all. Please watch to the end if you want to see the overview of the shelves and a little bit of close-up. But I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!